To briefly talk about the Microsoft Academia Accelerator, it's a brand new program that we've launched today. It's a long-term partnership between Microsoft on the one hand and 10 leading engineering colleges of India. The aim of the program really is to fuel innovation and impact from India, and we have two main pillars to the program. One is a set of activities to enrich the computer science curriculum at leading colleges, and through bringing industry content into the classroom. And the other part of the program is to nurture student innovation through a series of hackathons that we do and a set of other activities that are oriented towards getting them to be more entrepreneurial and get their ideas that are already in their head into the real world by giving them that encouragement. And so far it's been a fantastic program. We started with a 5-college pilot in the last fiscal year, in our fiscal year 2013. And today we were glad to launch the program officially, where it's now been expanded to 10 colleges. And we see tremendous impact for the program. We have touched over 3,000 students in our pilot here, and some amazing applications that have been published onto the Microsoft stores, which are being now, they are available for download for millions of users around the globe. And it gives a real-world exposure for the students to see what it is to compete with world-class applications with great design, not just coding, wonderful design, work in teams, and produce some wonderful software early in their careers, early in their student life, I should say, in their first and second year of college, they're getting to do this. Unique opportunity for them. And on the other side, like some of the faculty here mentioned today, we are partnered with the top academics, and so they are also seeing that there's industry is moving so fast in some of these areas like big data, machine learning, etc., that we are bridging a gap and bringing the latest content from the industry into these classrooms, and that helps them as well in enriching the curriculum and deliver industry-centric content that's very, very cutting edge. So with that, I'd like to say that participation was great. We've been seeing a lot of really wonderful support. Both faculty and students are really encouraged by the program response. And it will continue, and we'll expand the program in the years to come. The questions around employment opportunities, well, this is unrelated to our recruiting efforts. It's altogether different. What we might do, so there are no jobs and interviews and internships that are part of this program. So it's really skill building. But what we might do is that if we find some really, really talented students who did wonderful work, we will put them in touch with our staffing department, our HR department, which may then put them through the normal interview process. But just to be clear, it's very different. So we already go to these colleges separately for recruiting. It's just that we really are more trying to contribute back to the ecosystem by skill building, and that's what this program's about. So it's rather different. No, that's not the way we look at it. The questions around whether there's a lack of computer science at all, no, not at all. I think they have fantastic curriculum. They have the very basics of computer science, and then building on top of that, it's all learned in college. So the basics, like things like, I'd say your data structures, algorithms, networking, operating systems, compilers, these are all things that you learn in college, and without all those core classes that are offered by the professors, you don't have a base in computer science at all. And so those are absolutely critical and important. And so really it's about the part that the industry is evolving so fast in some of these newer areas, like some of the faculty here mentioned, in areas like cloud computing and several others, that to kind of bring the latest from the industry back into the college helps, because some of these areas are so new and evolving so fast that there is in fact not an existing textbook that you can depend on, or the textbooks have already gone out of date 1 or 2 years later. And we're trying to bring that industry content from our experience and from our senior engineers and mentors back into the classroom. Well, I mean, it's not really about the budget really, it's really about the fact that it's an investment in time and investment in our senior mentors, and so it's really, that's the way we look at it. We don't look at the number of hours or the amount of dollars we spend or the rupees we spend on it. It's really a long-term investment that we're very happy to make, and as long as we have that wonderful win-win partnership with academia, that's what we're looking for here.